Hey guys, Danny Johnson here. If you have a water softener system and you do let it go to where it's pretty much all the way out, you can see all the junk that's down in here. It's just dirt and sediments that kind of get down there. So we're gonna go ahead and clean that out today. So what we're gonna do is use our wet, dry shop vac. Okay, make sure you're using one that's approved for water. And inevitably we are sucking up a bunch of water. But we're gonna go ahead and put this down here to where it's basically touching the bottom. And we're just gonna hurry and vacuum that out.
So the key to this, of course, is not to suck up a bunch of the salt. It is heavy enough and down there pretty good that if you're just light above it, you can usually get the dirt off and leave the salt behind. When I was done, there was very little salt that the shop vac had sucked up. So just be careful about it, but you want to just get as much of that grime out as you can.
You can pop these off here and just kind of dump this out. Now we can start adding our salt. Nice and clean. There we go, nice and clean. Ready to go.
So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Check the video description. I have other videos that are similar to this. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.